Hey you guys, here we have to find out the value of x from this equation. So let's just write down x to the power 8 as x to the power 4 squared minus 121 can be written as 11 squared. Don't forget this equals to 0. Now treat x to the power 4 as a, and then you have squared and then minus b squared, and this can be written as a plus b, a minus b. I'm going to use this identity here. So a is my x to the power 4. So I can write down this as x to the power 4 minus 11, x to the power 4 plus 11 equals 0. Now this part can be written as x to the power 2 whole to the power 2, and then 11 can be written as square root of 11 squared. Put this in a bracket and don't forget to copy down this bracket here. 11 equals 0. Now again I'm going to apply this rule here. So use this formula. So that will be x squared plus square root 11 x squared minus square root 11, and then don't forget to copy down this bracket. X to the power 4 plus 11 equals 0. Now when product of all these three numbers equals 0, then we have x squared plus square root 11 equals 0, or we have this value x squared minus square root 11 equals 0, or we have this value x to the power 4 plus 11 equals 0. Now we have these three equations, and from these three equations we need to find out the value of x. So let's see from this part what it gives us. X squared. To find out the value of x, let's just remove this. That means take away square root 11 both sides. So you will have minus square root 11. Now, as you can see here, x squared is minus square root 11. But a square of a number cannot be negative. So we discard this. So we are not going to take this value. Let's come to this. So this is x squared. If I add square root 11 both sides, I will get x squared equals square root 11. And then I can further solve it. X will be square root of square root 11, which is nothing but, if I write down the inner square root as 11 to the power 1 over 2, this can be rewritten as, if I have another square root, that will be x to the power 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. So that will be 11 to the power 1 over 4. So that's one of the value. Now let's see this one. X to the power 4 plus 11 equals 0. So let's just take away 11 both sides. So you will end up with x to the power 4 equals minus 11. This equation is not possible because no matter which real number you take and raise to the power 4 if you do, that will never end up with a negative result. That means I cannot accept this. That means this is the only solution. If you really enjoyed watching this video and learned something, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.